Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 19th, Thursday, and on this post, I'll be talking to you about the overall crypto markets as well as doing a recap and a follow-up on Yearn Finance, YFIUSD. I'm going to be sharing with you my today's bullish and bearish case scenario as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts and see if anything has changed. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also earn a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way, but let me know what you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now let's take a look exactly what's going on in the markets first. First thing I like to look at is Bitcoin dominance. It tells me where the money is trending into or out of, would it be Bitcoins or altcoins. Currently, we do have Bitcoin dominance about 67%, up just slightly from yesterday. This breaks down to a Bitcoin price action that is still outpacing the total altcoin market cap. But that is not to say some smaller altcoins are jumping a lot higher than the others. And you guys know exactly what I'm talking about specifically. So we are going to take a dive into YFI. But one more thing I also want to note is that on Bitcoin dominance chart, starting from the 4-hour time frame up to the daily time frame, there is possible bearish divergence on the Bitcoin dominance charts. When Bitcoin dominance starts trending down, this could mean possibly better trading opportunities for altcoins. We're going to see if this plays out and to be true. Now let's take a look into YFI, Yearn Finance USD, and see what exactly has gone on since yesterday. Yesterday's post, I had mentioned that we had a double bottom here, and the measured target of that double bottom would be about 29K. We had reached that price target and currently seeing a slight pullback. Okay, I don't see possible bearish divergence on a lot of the time frames, but there is possible bearish divergence, well, not on the hourly time frame right here, but on the 4-hour. That is, I think, the closest to possible bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. But if we actually get a higher high, maybe even up to the 30K or even very close to 30K, we could possibly avoid that bearish divergence setup. Now on the 6-hour time frame, I don't see possible bearish divergence comparing this high with the last high on the RSI charts. So that is good on the 6-hour time frame. Neither is the 12-hour time frame. It does not look like there's possible loss of momentum on the 12-hour time frame. On the daily, we are good, even though we are overbought. So some type of pullback may be coming, but I don't see loss of momentum just yet on these higher time frames. Now, let's take a look at what exactly is going on in the price action on the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that there is a first attempt in trying to break the 30K resistance level, which is also the next Fibonacci retracement level. Rarely do I see a resistance, especially a major resistance, being broken on the first price action attempt. So this pullback is conceivable. So we're going to see if where this pullback actually ultimately lands. So that is my current evaluation of the situation right now. Let's take a look at the bullish and bearish case scenarios. The bullish case scenario will be obviously if we actually break through 30K. Okay, this may be on the second or third or even subsequent attempts. But if we actually break 30K, the next major resistance level I am looking at would be the next fib level, which would be at about 36,000. But just because we break 30K does not mean we're absolutely going to reach 36,000. We're going to have to take into consideration of possible stops along the way, such as if we actually go back on the trading history on the time frame, I can see possible stops at some of these wicks at 34K, 33K even, and even just where some of these previous wicks are indicating possible resistances. Okay, possible stops there, so I'll be keeping my risk management plan intact even though we break through 30K, and noting that the next major resistance would be at 36K, because anything could happen at any time in the markets. I'll be taking my money off the table whenever something does not look right. Now let's take a look at the bearish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, I always have to acknowledge it because I would like to know when something does not look right. If we actually get a major rejection here on the 30K level right here, and actually comes back to the next level of support, the next level of support I'll be looking at, major support that is, at least in the short time frame, will be the hourly 21 simple moving average. The blue line right here, currently upward sloping at about 26.8K. Okay, that is the first level of major support that I do see. The next support after that would be, do we have any moving averages that are even quick to follow the hourly 21 simple moving average? No. The 4-hour 21 would be all the way back down to about 23K. So the next level of major support I'll be looking at, if the hourly 21 simple moving average does not hold, would be the fib level that we had just broken above at about 25.5, 25K range. This would be the next level of major support. Now, obviously, if that does not hold, then we can expect further downward price action. So these are my very two straightforward bullish and bearish case scenarios for today for Yearn Finance, YFIUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, any feedback. I would love to hear them. And if you guys have any more appetite for crypto today, be sure to check out my most recent uploads for other crypto analyses. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.